Okay, so I bought this vacuum cleaner off Amazon. It's a handheld vacuum cleaner. It's perfect for people with pets, small kids, or just people who make small messes. They need to clean up every so often. It has 3 modes or 3 gears that the user can select through. As you can see, the suction power is pretty strong. It's able to vacuum all this kitty litter in like 2 seconds. As you can see, these are breadcrumbs, but it's vacuuming in, again, like 2 seconds. As you can see, it works fairly well on the carpet also. You can pretty much vacuum the whole carpet with this handy little machine. This is all the dirt that it collected in just a few minutes. Or seconds rather.